Meet Ruchi and Rakesh. They own a house which they had purchased a few years ago. But roof leakage every rainy season bothers them. They desperately want to renovate their house. Unfortunately, due to the shortage of funds, they are not able to afford home renovation expenses. Ruchi told Rakesh, "Don't worry, we can take a personal loan for home renovation. By doing this, we can avoid liquidating our savings." Fullerton India personal loan for home improvement is the perfect solution. This loan will be handy to make all sorts of upgrades, whether it is remodeling your kitchen, changing your living room furniture, or even bathroom fittings. So, apply today for Fullerton India's personal loan for home renovation. It comes with exclusive benefits such as instant online approval, competitive interest rates, and money disbursed within 72 hours. Get funds up to Rs 25 lakhs and avail maximum loan up to 90%. To apply for personal loan, visit www.fullertonindia.com. Apply for a personal loan.